no, it's already 9:56. Lisa needs the report before 10 o'clock. I need to send this now. I don't have much time. Okay, Emma, don't panic. Okay, stay calm. The report is open. I just need to check it quickly. The numbers look right. The file is ready. Now I need to send the email.
Are you in a rush?
Yes, Lisa needs this report before 10 o'clock.
Do you need any help?
I think I'm okay, but I'm moving too fast.
Take one more second to check everything.
I know, but I'm really worried about the time. Done. I sent it. That was close. I feel better now. I hope Lisa gets it in time.
Good job. You sent it before 10 o'clock.
Thanks, Jack. Now I can breathe. That was easy. I feel much better now. The report is sent and Lisa can read it today. I was worried for nothing. Now I can start my next task. Let me look at the sent email. Wait, something looks wrong. I don't see the file here. Oh no, there is no attachment.
Emma, can I check something?
Sure, is there a problem?
Did you attach the file?
I think so. I checked it before I sent it.
I don't see the attachment icon here.
Really? Let me look again.
Maybe the email went without the file.
Oh no, that's not good. Oh no, I forgot. I forgot to attach the file. I can't believe I did that. Lisa needs the report today. What should I do now? Should I send another email? Oh, Lisa replied already. That was fast. Let me open her email and check her answer. I hope everything is okay with the report. Oh no, Lisa says, I don't see the attachment. Wait, did I really forget it? I wrote the email, but maybe I didn't attach the file. That's not good. She needs the report today. Oh no, I forgot to attach it. I feel so embarrassed. It was such a small mistake. I checked the message, but I didn't check the file. I need to fix this quickly.
Don't worry, Emma. It happens.
I feel bad. Lisa is waiting for the report.
Just send a new email with the attachment.
Should I say sorry in the email?
Yes, keep it simple. You can say, sorry, I forgot to attach the file.
Okay, I'll send it again now.
Good. And next time, check the file before you send it. Just reply politely and attach the file.
That sounds simple, but I don't want to sound careless.
You won't. Everyone forgets small things sometimes.
What should I write first?
Start with a short apology. Then tell her the file is attached.
Okay, I can do that. What should I say? I want the message to sound polite. Maybe I should say sorry first. Then I can tell her the report is attached. Let me think for a second.
You can say, sorry, I forgot to attach the file.
That sounds clear and polite.
Yes, it's honest and it's not too long.
Should I add anything else?
Yes, you can write, please see the report attached.
Great, I'll use both sentences. Sorry, I forgot to attach the file. Please see the report attached. Okay, that looks polite. Now I need to make sure the file is really attached this time.
Good, that sounds professional.
Thanks, I checked the attachment this time.
Nice work. Now you can send it.
Okay, I'm sending it now.
Great, you fixed the problem quickly.
And I learned to check before I send. I hope she can open it. The file is attached this time. The message was clear. Still, I feel a little nervous. Please let everything be okay, she replied. That was quick. Okay, let me open it. I hope it's good news. Lisa says, got it, thank you. Great. She received the file. Now I can relax. I'm glad I fixed it quickly. Next time I'll check before I send. Thanks for helping me, Jack.
No worries.
I was really nervous, but your advice helped.
You handled it well.
I'll remember this lesson.
Good. Small mistakes happen, but we can fix them. Let's review the useful sentences from today's story.
Great! These sentences are helpful at work.
The first sentence is, sorry, I forgot to attach the file.
Sorry, I forgot to attach the file.
You can use it when you miss an attachment.
It sounds polite and clear. The next sentence is, please find the file attached.
Yes, you can use this when you send the file again.
Please find the file attached.
That sounds professional.
I can use it in a work email.
Exactly. It's short and polite.
Let's listen again and repeat.
First sentence. Sorry, I forgot to attach the file.
Sorry, I forgot to attach the file.
Second sentence. Please find the file attached.
Please find the file attached.
Third sentence. Could you check if you can open it?
Could you check if you can open it?
Quick question. What should Emma say when she forgets the attachment?
Is it A, where is the file?
Or B, sorry, I forgot to attach the file?
Or C, I don't care.
The answer is B.
Sorry, I forgot to attach the file.
That's the polite answer.